make the most out of it. It's not about the number, but it's the quality of learning that you get. I want to have the privilege to welcome you to this event.
Always innovate as a business entity kasi hindi mo mamamalayan meron at meron manggagaya sa negosyo mo. Pero yung innovation mo, pag nag-i-innovate ka, meron kang bagong offers sa mga customers mo. Meron at meron kakaiba sa'yo na wala sa iba.
So when we talk about technology, the MSME choose existing technologies to operate their services or build products.
When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream.
And so I feel amazed because I am able to join this event for today.
Now, we are investing in the youth because at the end of the day, it is always us naman talaga who will benefit or suffer as to how we are going to do or to make an action towards achieving this.
So that's the space that you need to open yourself up to when you want to enter a startup.
Course, hindi ko po ito gagawin kapag hindi ako masaya. Kasi lagi kong pamanayan, life is too short.
We are already midway to our SDG timeline. But look at the Philippines. Until now, we still don't have a definite definition as to what social enterprise is as compared to other countries. We really have to do a lot of catching up.